Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. We're going to see what they sent us, and you guys could see what else they have to offer. So here we go. Bada boom, bada bing. As the weekend is here. But it's still cold outside, still snowing. Unreal. Getting tired of this winter time. Oh, we got something cool. Alright. Here we go. YOKKAO, I do believe. Tripod, selfie stick, universal phone holder, waterproof. Oh, so you could take this on the boats with you. You could take it in the bathtub, doing your bubble baths, take a shower. Swimming. There we go. And it's for what? Android, iOS, iPhones and Galaxies. I got the 8 Plus to show you guys how it fits, and then I'm recording on the 10 Plus right now. Ooh, we got some bonuses. We got a trusty screen wiper. Here we go. Look at this bad boy. Bam. You could adjust it here. Right in here you could adjust. Pretty easy. But you want it pretty tight. You don't want your phone falling out during your selfie mode. And there's a Bluetooth remote. If I could pull this out. Let's see. Should just slide out. Hey. Well, this doesn't like me. You guys catch my drift. You turn it on, you go to your Bluetooth settings, pull it down, and it should show up YOKKAO, do believe, and watch this. Bam, bam. I have a similar like this one. Comes with a USB charge, so it's really good for recording your Twitch streams, your video vlogs, your YouTube videos, Instagram videos. Be great for selfies, and it has a pretty long reach. Make sure I get it on right. Okay, there we go. Make sure it's like this. If you guys can see it, there we go. So there's that. And it's easy to clamp on. I'll raise you guys up a little bit so you could be even length. Here we go. All you gotta do is clamp it on like so. And bada boom. This, like I said, the 8 Plus is right here. So that fits it perfectly. And pretty much all of them, 10 Plus, I do believe it fits. I just wish I could show you guys this remote. Oh, there we go. Yeah, buddy. You got it. See? So you can just take your selfie sticks. I use this sometimes to watch TVs on the tripods. If I'm taking a little break, I usually just like watch Amazon Prime or WWE Network like this. So really cool. Instead of holding it on all the time, but it goes up. But I do believe this is like the first waterproof kind of selfie sticks. So really cool. Let me show you. Go like this. I mean, you guys know how to work these. So you go like that. Pretty cool. Whoop, sorry about that. I got some nice long reach. And you could always adjust to your settings where you're at. See, there's a 10 Plus in the background. But really cool. Like I said, it is waterproof. And it's easy to store. Oh. And close it up, take it on the road with you, and then that's about it. So definitely check them out. Like I said, it comes with that, the washcloth or the screen cleaner, tripod, Bluetooth, the remote. Oh, I forgot to put the remote back so it's easy to slide in. Like I said, it is waterproof, which is always a good thing. If you're outside in the rain, doing your vlogs, your workout videos. Sorry about that, YouTubers, but we'll finish up here. Doorbell ringing. I got one of those video doorbells that interrupts on your phone. But like I said, it's really cool coming from these guys over at YOKKAO. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but definitely check them out. Really cool selfie stick. There we go. Easy. And then if you need to charge it, comes with this. And you can do it that way. And then all you gotta do is close, seal. And like I said, it's really easy to hook up to the Bluetooth. Once it's flashed in, go to your settings, scroll down to Bluetooth, and it should pop up these guys. It's YOKKAO on the Bluetooth. Cool thing. So thank you guys for sending this. And YouTubers, you guys go check them out. And you guys have a great weekend. And be safe, stay warm.